friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspired Planner, and today we are going to make the little DIY bookmark that is brand new to the Tula 12 books collection. All right, we are all ready to get started. So your DIY bookmark kit is going to come with a piece of cardstock that's already trimmed down to size, 2 double-sided pieces of paper that are already cut to size as well, a die cut, pretty little bow, some stickers, and the plastic packaging that it was in. Now I do use this plastic packaging when I make my bookmark. You don't have to, but here's an example of the way I use it. I just put the bookmark back into it, put the tab over top of it, and then that way it's a little more protected when I'm using it in my books. So let's go ahead and get started. Take my tab sticker off of here and I'm going to put it right over top of the plastic packaging. So I'm just going to line it up and kind of make sure that I'm somewhat in the middle here where I want it to be. Press that side down just like that. Flip it over, and then I'm just going to very carefully, you got to put it on a flat surface, is just kind of press that one side down and then press the other side down and then push it out like that. So that way it is nice and even for you. Now, if you wanted to write something specific on here, you certainly can with a pen. I am going to do today and this week. That's just kind of how I've been doing them. So I'm just going to put my today sticker right here. And then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to put this week. Now, you do have a few extra stickers on here. Don't throw them away. If you have a sticker book, put them in there so that you have them for another project or wherever you store your stickers. And this is our adorable little bookmark. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this inspired you to create a bookmark today or in the future. If you do, we would love to see them. If you're in my community group over on Facebook, make sure you share there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.